every nutrient that anybody needs comes from the earth. These carnivores are being just as lazy as human carnivores are when they're letting somebody else eat the things that they should eat, the fruits and the vegetables of the earth, all the plants and things like that. And then they're filtering it through somebody else's body. So don't tell me, and it really irks me that animal rights people who claim to value animal life so much want to claim that they can't think clearly. They can think as clearly as everyone else. And I have videos on my website about herbivores like hippos running after alligators to stop them from killing impala. They must be sick of it too, just like me. I'm tired. Every time I'm sitting in this river, you guys come by and kill somebody. I have videos. I have a video of a hippo trying to give mouth to mouth to the impala that he saved from the alligator.
These impala need to drink, and the younger animals haven't yet learned that the same waters that support life can also bring death. A young impala tries to cross the water, but then he's held fast in the crocodile's powerful jaws. In moments, the croc will drag him under. Nearby, a giant hippo looks on. Then, amazingly, it's driven the crocodile off. What follows is even more incredible. At first, it might look like the hippo wants to claim this meal for itself, but that's not what's happening. The hippo nuzzles the wounded impala, then takes its head in its mouth, not to eat it, but seemingly in an attempt to revive it. But it's no use.
While those abandoning their respect.
Mother, if you start crying.
The hippos now chase the wild dogs off the respect. The respect is now with the hippo in the mud. This is incredible.
I'm filming.
Die moeder en die leeu sit en wag en kyk vir hom.
Imagine jy kon help hom uit.
Ag, die leeu is hom in geval voor.
Oh, jeez.
Nou, wat drink hy om?
Jesus, fucking vies.
Wat het hy nou gesluk?
Hy het die bokkie doodgemaak. Of hy help hom uit. Hy help hom uit, neem het af. Ek weet al, hy sluk my lees die ding van.
Hy skop nog maar lees.
Eating it.
Oh no, the hippo's eating the Tommy.
Whoa. How can that be possible?
Oh no, they're killing it.
Oh, shit.
But they're not, they're vegetarian.
Really?
Maybe they're
Yes.
just killing it.
They just kill it.
I still don't know why this is so confusing to people. Are you saying herbivores, the only beings that have achieved peacefulness and that know how to live in peace on this planet without harming anybody else?
There are battles going on all of the time between the hippos. There's a lot of aggression in hippo society.
I still don't know why this is so confusing to people. Are you saying herbivores, the only beings that have achieved peacefulness and that know how to live in peace on this planet without harming anybody else,
don't deserve to live? How horribly unvegan can you be? How horribly discriminatory and biased can you be? Again, theory though. I just am a deep thinker and I've thought about every single aspect.
Okay,